Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete Zoho Mail account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to log in to your Zoho account, which is the starting point of this whole process. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to your account settings. You can easily access this by clicking on your profile picture. A small menu should pop up when you do this, and that's where you'll find the option labeled My Account. Go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to a new page specifically for your account settings. Once you're in your account settings, your goal is to find the section for closing your account. Look to the left-hand sidebar on your screen and click on Settings. Here, scroll down until you see the option Close Account. After you've located the Close Account section, you'll need to click on it. Now, this is an important part of the process. Zoho will present you with a warning message. It's essential to read through this warning carefully. Once you've understood the warning, the next step is to provide your account password. This is a security measure to make sure that you are indeed the account's rightful owner who has requested this action. With your password entered, you'll find a button that says Close Account. Click on that, and it sets the final steps of your account closure in motion. Clear and straightforward. And there you have it. So that is how you can delete Zoho Mail account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.